All right, guys, it's the perfect day to make an iced coffee. Making it at home saves a lot of money. This is the coffee that I purchased. It is cinnamon hazelnut, and let me just tell you how incredible it is. Now, I've used my French press to make this the other day, and I have half left, and all it takes is half of this container full to do my iced coffee. So let's get out my favorite ice cubes in the world. I got these here from Temu. Who else shops on Temu? Because you shop once and it's addictive. They say you can shop like a billionaire. So, all right. I like lots of ice. I dropped this one on the ground, so now my little handle is broken, but that's okay. Oh, it's so cold on the hands. I'm a huge coffee fan. It just adds to my day. And the smell of making fresh brewed coffee is a therapy. The smell of it is definitely aromatherapy to me, especially when you have delicious coffees. And I have many, many kinds. I have this one from Christmas. It is caramel drizzle. This is the one I'm currently using right here. But I also have one that I've never tried before, and it looks incredible. Snickers coffee. So if any of you guys already tried this, please let me know. Rate it 1 to 10. That's how I rate things. But anyway, let me just give this a stir with my straw because it's been in the cup for 2 days. But it is fresh brewed coffee. Let me get mine. Oh, wow. There was more than I thought. I need to save room for my favorite creamer and whipped cream, guys. I have a routine, so this is the best creamer that you will ever have tried. If you like cinnamon roll, girls and guys, probably mostly girls watch this. It's incredible. It's a 50,000, okay? So if you're wondering you want to try a new creamer that tastes fall, that just tastes divine, trust me, go out, splurge, get this. I got it on sale for $2.88, which is a really good deal because most of the time they're like $5 for that little thing. Of course, top it off with whipped cream without making a mess all over my place here. I didn't leave enough room for the proper amount of whipped cream that I like, but I always like whipped cream on my coffee. I'm going to let this melt in for a minute because I like my whipped cream to actually be in the coffee. It just adds to that. Oh, like, you know, when you go and pay $8 for a coffee at Starbucks, guys, Starbucks does not compare. This has the strong coffee flavor that I love. It's real genuine coffee. And you've seen how much cinnamon I added and just like a sprinkle of that, but that's divine. This is coffee is a 50. Let's just give it a, oh, I wish you could smell it. Like this smells divine. Let's do the whipped cream first, like I always do. Mm, mm. Wow. Mm. Wow, I already spilled it. Happiness in a cup. Wow, without overloading with the sugar, guys. That's incredible. Is there anybody else who just loves the sound? Ice. Yes. This coffee is absolutely incredible. I wish I could share it with every one of you for you to try my coffee because it's incredible. I can barely contain myself, guys. This is the new 2024 gingerbread tree. It's a blow mold. It's a 50,000. I'm screaming. It just came out. It's definitely going to go viral. This is going to be a timeless piece for our home. Literally, this was created for me. And there's pink peppermints and lighted jubes. It's so amazing. Now, this was the next contender. It is Darling from Cracker Barrel, and it's the gingerbread tree blow mold. It's also so stinking cute. It is a 50,000, but the one that I picked definitely had pink and it was more icing on it and just, but they're both 50,000s. And I feel whoever has these pieces in their home, they're awesome. Ew. All the cozy vibes. Fall, sweet fall. Yay for the most beautiful time of the year. All the coziness. All right, guys, I saw this at the grocery store, and anything apple cinnamon reminds me of fall. So why not do a taste test? And it has the resealable. Ooh, okay. Never tried these cookies before. Never seen this flavor before. Oh, it does smell like green apple. What's that? Oh, there's like a sugar coating on top. My girls want to smell. Okay, so it smells 10 out of 10. It smells like it's going to be really good. Oh, wow. I did not have high expectations. This is delicious. The icing. The crackers itself have like a very light coconut flavor to it, but you can definitely taste green apple. Wow. I really don't taste much cinnamon at all, but I taste beautiful green apple. The cookie is delicious itself. It has like that slight coconut flavor, but wow, this blew me away. Was not expecting it to be great. I give it a 15 out of 10. 2 thumbs up, and I'm fussy, and that's delicious. Yum. So you guys, it is a fish night for us. Look at this homemade fish from the restaurant. Got tomatoes from the garden, fresh cucumber, and lots of ketchup. Cheers, girl. Cheers! Sparkling water. Are you digging in?
Yes.
Go right to her.
Oh my God, I want a piece. You did put salt on it.
Oh, pink salt, yes, girl. Yum. She was falling asleep. She's so spoiled. Supper tonight is leftovers. Last night I made bassa fish, so tonight is round 2 of the same fish. But I don't pre-make the fish because you want it nice and crispy and fresh and hot. I'm steaming up some broccoli, and there's going to be leftover pan-fried potatoes and onions that I did on the grill. right, supper is plated. This is the leftover potatoes and onions on the grill, steamed broccoli with some butter, a beautiful fillet of bassa, and a fresh sliced tomato from our garden. Beautiful supper from my hubs. He will enjoy every single bite of this. Right, Boo? The plate's hot, dear.